is going on today, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to wrap text around a circle in Photoshop. So first, what you want to do is create a new document. Today we're going to do 1500 by 1500. So let's go ahead and click that. Create new document. And let's go ahead and go to the magnifying glass and enlarge your background just a little bit. And you want to come to the left side, and then you want to come all the way down to your toolbar here. Right click it. You should see rectangle tool, ellipse tool, triangle tool, polygon tool. You want to click on ellipse tool. All right, so once you click the ellipse tool, if you hold the mouse down, you'll see it create the circle for us as we drag the mouse. And right above my cursor, you can see in the rectangle box, it shows the width of the circle and the height of the circle. What you want to do is use those dimensions to make the circle just perfect for you. So let's go ahead and make a perfect circle, like so. Once you have the perfect circle, you want to come to your move tool here, click on that, click on the circle, and let's go ahead and put it perfectly in the center of the screen for you. All right, once you have the circle perfectly placed in the center of the screen, now you want to go to your text tool. So click text. And today's font, we're going to use Roboto Serif. So we click that. And then if you look closely at my cursor, as it approaches the circle, once it gets close enough, it changes into a wave. Did you see that? So let's try that again. See the circle? I mean the cursor? And then once it gets to the circle, it changes into the wave. Once it changes in the wave, you click the mouse, and now it will allow you to type around the circle perfectly. So for the sake of this video, we are going to just type how to wrap text around a circle in Photoshop. All right, now more than likely you're going to run into this problem where there's going to be this large gap here. And in order to fix that, what you want to do is you want to click on your mouse, highlight all the text, come up to your size of the text, and let's go ahead and make it, instead of 20, let's make it 25. You see, and then the gap has already gotten smaller. So maybe 26 should completely fill the circle, and it did. So once you have it perfectly how you want it, you just click the mouse and it removes the highlight. And if you look closely, we spelled circle wrong, so let's go ahead and correct that and put an E. But you see, once I added the E, the text became too much and it made a lot of my text disappear. So let's go ahead and go back. And in order to fix that, we're going to highlight the entire text and then we're going to drop it back to 25. And now that should be small enough for it to allow me to put the E back in there. So let's click off the circle and let's take the text tool right there to add the E. And now we have the text that we want. And if you guys want to spin the text around because you want around a circle, you want the text that's on top to be below, all you have to do is get your move tool, click on it, click the rectangle one time. You see the cursor changes into a curve, and then you can rotate the circle any way you want it. So once you have it any way you want, it doesn't even have to be perfectly to the rectangle. You can just have it any way that you would want the text to be. And once we have it exactly how we want it, we'll come to the move tool again, click it one time, and then there you go. And then what you want to do now is you want to remove the ellipse tool in the background. So you come to your layers here, click off of the ellipse tool that we used as the template to wrap the text around. And now it's removed. And what you have left is the circle. And now you can shrink the circle text, or you can enlarge it. Or you can even type a text inside the middle of the circle if you choose. So there's so many things to do and so many designs you can create. Like, for instance, if you wanted to make a very cool design, you have the text wrapped around here, and then you can just put a design in the center of the text. And that is how you wrap text around a circle in Photoshop. If you guys like these types of videos, please comment, like, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.